Hey there, Nate from Microchip Technology here to talk about the new AVR SD family of microcontrollers and its Curiosity Nano development board. The AVR SD family of microcontrollers is designed to international functional safety standards, specifically for ISO 26262 ASIL-C and IEC 61508 SIL-2 compliancy, and is packed with hardware safety features in an affordable low-cost package. Let's go ahead and look at what's included with the AVR SD Curiosity Nano development kit, talk about the hardware safety features on the AVR SD family, what makes the AVR SD family great for safety critical designs, and where to go if you want to learn more. Let's get started. So here I have an AVR SD Curiosity Nano development kit. Inside we have the AVR SD Curiosity Nano development board and some header pins. On the board itself, there is a USB-C port for power and communication with the onboard programmer and debugger, a user LED and push button that can be programmed for whatever the user needs, a second LED inside this heart symbol, which shows the status of the AVR SD's heartbeat signal, which is used to indicate the microcontroller's health to other components in a larger application, and there's staggered through holes for a solderless connection with the included pins and castellated edges for easy mounting to other hardware. The board is compatible with both the Curiosity Nano baseboard and the Curiosity Nano Explorer boards for easy project development. For advanced users, it also fits right into breadboards without further modification. When connected to a computer, the board has pre-programmed code to blink an LED in one mode and enable and disable the heartbeat when this switch is pressed in the second mode. With this application, the LED will be red when the heartbeat is off and orange when it's on. You can switch between these modes by using the serial terminal, setting your baud rate to a 115200 and sending a 1 or a 2. There's also kit information, and it supports drag and drop programming with .hex files. Now, the star of the show here is the AVR SD microcontroller. You heard me say this earlier, but the AVR SD is ISO 26262 ASIL-C and IEC 61508 SIL-2 compliant, which is fantastic for automotive and industrial design, and the AVR SD's hardware features help designers reach these high safety levels. The AVR SD includes 2 identical CPUs on one chip, both running the same instructions in parallel. The results are continuously compared by redundant comparators, and the CPU only moves on to the next instruction if both CPUs produce matching outputs. This arrangement is known as a lockstep configuration. The dual-core lockstep CPU of the AVR SD helps developers achieve robust fault detection and improve system reliability for safety-critical applications. Additionally, all memory on the device has single error correction, double error detection error correcting code, or ECC protection. Using ECC protected memory ensures that single bit errors are automatically corrected for seamless operation, while double bit errors are flagged for prompt fault handling. This robust memory error management eliminates the need for complex and time-consuming software to check memory integrity. One of the more notable functional safety enhancements on the AVR SD is the new hardware error controller. The AVR SD's error controller is always active, gathering hardware fault reports from various modules on the microcontroller and responds to them based on configurable severity levels: notification, non-critical, or critical. The error controller can automatically put the controller into a safe state, whether it be tri-stating or floating the I/O pins, or execute a system reset. This error controller design, which includes fault injection capabilities and built-in redundancy checks, ensure the system can swiftly detect, respond to, and verify hardware errors, maintaining high reliability in safety-critical applications. Speaking of fault injection, let's highlight the device's hardware error injection features. By setting a couple of bits, you can inject errors into most of these safety features for testing. This is incredibly useful when you build applications targeting high safety levels. In addition, many of the device's key peripherals are duplicated for design redundancy. There are 2 ADCs, 2 SPI modules, 2 I2C modules, 2 zero-cross detectors, and both synchronous and asynchronous watchdog timers. If one peripheral experiences a fault, the redundant module can step in, ensuring continuous operation. When it comes to safety-critical designs, the AVR SD is an ideal choice for applications that require reliability without excessive processing power. It's perfectly suited for monitoring tasks like detecting overheating with temperature sensors, watching for current spikes, or tracking pressure and position, any scenario where a fault must be caught early and reliably. Beyond standalone use, the AVR SD also plays a valuable role in multi-microcontroller systems. It can act as a safety companion to larger processors, offloading diagnostics or even mirroring key safety functions to raise the system's overall safety integrity. This makes it a great fit for designs targeting ASIL-D or SIL-3, where redundancy and fault detection are critical. What makes the AVR SD truly stand out is that it's the first microcontroller of its kind to offer this level of functional safety compliance, ASIL-C and SIL-2, at a price point under $1. That makes it not just a technically smart choice, but a financially scalable one too. That covers the AVR SD Curiosity Nano and its family of microcontrollers, their features, and why it is a low-cost fit for your next safety-compliant project. If you want to learn more, check out the AVR SD Curiosity Nano Development Board, the AVR SD family page, and the functional safety courses on Microchip University, all linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.